The sky in shades of gray. You came to see me. Endless rain kept you from going away.
Beside me silently you watched the blurred and dreaming sky. Afraid that I might see you cry, you whispered tales of long ago.
An ancient tale from heaven, where lanterns lit the night. The fairy realm was singing when one young maiden dropped her wine.
Drunk on joy, the heavens cast her gently down to earth,
to live among the mortal world, not knowing when she'd return. My love, that fairy came to earth one rainy falling day, and seeing I live lonely here, she chose with me to stay.
One day the sky sent rosy clouds to bring the fairy home.
She said she's still upset with heaven. She won't go back alone. Without wings now stands and watches rain. She's here beside me, praying still, let storms forever remain.